Hi everyone, today's headlines. Sea of Amur falcons reach roosting site at Hakizi village. COVID virus mutation may have made it more contagious. Nagaland COVID tally 9075. 1 dead and 5 injured in mishap. Chennai knocks Punjab out of IPL 2020. KKR eliminate RR from IPL 2020. One drug peddler apprehended in Zinabato. Futsura police arrested one person with suspected ganja after a hot chase. Mogojong police seizes illegal liquor and 2 held. Scindia mistakenly seeks votes for Congress. News in details. Sea of Amur falcons reach roosting site at Hakizi village. Amur falcons have been flocking to their roosting site near Hakizi village under Newland subdivision in Dimapur district in greater numbers this year. Hakizi village council chairman Vito Shohe told a visiting wildlife team led by wildlife warden of Dimapur Wildlife Division H. Tokaho Kinimi on October 30 that around 50 to 100 raptors reached the site on October 14. Thereafter 1000 to 2000 arrived on October 17 and by October 26 it was a sea of Amur falcons, he added. COVID virus mutation may have made it more contagious. The virus that causes COVID-19 is accumulating genetic mutation, one of which may have made it more contagious, says a study involving more than 5,000 patients in the US. In August, Malaysia's Director General of Health Nur Hisam Abdullah in a Facebook post stated that the new strain of the novel coronavirus called D614G, deemed 10 times more infectious, was detected in Malaysia. It is found to be 10 times easier to infect different people and easier to spread if spread by super spreader individuals, Dr. Nur Hisam said in a statement posted on his Facebook page. Nagaland COVID-19 tally 9075. Nagaland on Sunday reported 28 new COVID-19 positive cases, 22 in Dimapur, 4 in Kohima and 1 each in Longlang and Mon, taking the tally to 9075. 1 dead and 5 injured in mishap. 1 person died while 5 others were injured in a fatal road accident on Saturday night near Faith Petrol Pump, 5th Mile, Dimapur. According to Dimapur police, the incident happened around 11 p.m. when the vehicle Bolero collided head-on with a truck which was approaching on the wrong lane along NH29. Of the 6 occupants, 1 succumbed while 2 out of the 5 injured remain in critical condition. The injured were rushed to Referral Hospital and Zion Hospital. Chennai knocks Punjab out of IPL 2020. End of the road for Kings 11 Punjab, who have been the most entertaining side of this IPL. The team won just one of their first 7 matches, came back strongly and lit up the tournament with 5 successive wins but failed to cross the final hurdle with back-to-back defeats. KKR eliminate RR from IPL 2020. Kolkata Knight Riders defeated Rajasthan Royals by 60 runs in match 54 of the Indian Premier League 2020. At the Dubai International Cricket Stadium, KKR posted a total of 191 runs for the loss of 7 wickets in 20 overs. After being sent into the bat, skipper Ian Morgan was the highest run scorer, smashing 68 runs of 35 deliveries. Morgan inning comprised of 5 boundaries and 6 sixes. Andre Russell further made his presence felt with 11 ball 25 in an inning comprising of a boundary and 3 sixes. Rahul Tewatia was the pick of the bowlers, accounting for 3 wickets. Karthik Tyagi further chipped in with 2 wickets. The RR batsmen started the chase on a strong note with opener Ben Stokes and Robin Uthappa scoring 19 runs of the opening over bowled by Pat Cummins. One drug peddler apprehended in Zinabato. As part of the ongoing crackdown by security forces to prevent illegal activities in Nagaland, one drug peddler was apprehended in general area Zinabato on October 30, 2020. A press release from PRO HQ IGAR North said that security forces along with police representative launched an operation based on specific intelligence regarding illegal activities in general area Zonabato and apprehended an individual. Futsura police arrest one person with suspected ganja. The Futsura police arrested one of the two smugglers after a hot chase from Lekrumi village under Futsura district while smuggling suspected ganja. The personnel of Futsura police station, while conducting MVCP at Futsura Welcome Gate, intercepted one vehicle which ran away on seeing the duty party. The incident happened at around 19:30 hours on October 30. A police notification stated, Mogojong police seizes illegal liquor. 2 held. The Mogojong police intercepted a Bolero pickup at IS Kensa village and seized illegal liquor bottles on Friday, October 30, 2020 and arrested 2 persons. Personnel at Mogojong police station 2 chased and intercepted a Bolero pickup hearing registration number AS03BC1745 at ISBT Kensa village at around 4 hours on October 30, 2020. Scindia mistakenly seeks votes for Congress. In a slip of the tongue, BJP Rajya Sabha member Jyoti Rajendra Scindia asked people to vote for his former party Congress during a campaign for the November 3 by-election in Madhya Pradesh. A video in which Scindia is seen seeking votes for the Congress during a rally on Saturdays in favor of BJP candidates. Imartha Devi from Dabra town in Gwalior has gone viral on social media. In the video, Scindia is heard saying, "My people of Dabra, raise your hand and make your first to convince Shivraj Singh and me. Make us believe that you will press the hand button on November 3. However, the BJP leader immediately amended his sentence, Kamal lotus symbol of the Saffron party. That's all for now. To get such latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel.